YouTube, this is LOTL, and today I'm going to DIY this Faux marble clock. For this project, you need a clock face, clock mechanism with hands, a battery for clock mechanism, and a wrench. I'm recycling this octagon cardboard box for clock face. I wrapped it with a contact paper and made a hole in the middle. Make sure this hole fits a spindle over your clock mechanism. I'll put one AA battery into my clock mechanism before connecting it with the clock face. After checking that the spindle fits the hole in the clock face, place this round clock part that looks like a ring. And you're going to use this hex nut and tighten the spindle. First with your hand. And then you can use this adjustable wrench to tighten it firmly. I'm holding the nut with the wrench and spinning the clock mechanism behind the clock face until it's tight. The clock mechanism has a hanging hook. If you're going to hang this clock up on the wall, make sure that it's pointing upwards. Check if clock face looks tidy after putting the spindle in. The clock mechanism has two plastic parts on the top of the spindle. The hour hand has a larger hole and it fits the bigger plastic piece. The minute hand has a smaller hole and it fits the smaller plastic piece on the top. You have to push around the ring, but make sure you don't push the end because it's going to bend. I'm putting in the minute hand and then the second hand. So you will start with the hour hand, the minute hand, and then a second hand. The second hand looks like a little snap-on pin. You'll just push it into the spindle. If you assembled everything correctly, the second hand should start moving. If you look at the clock mechanism, there is a turning mechanism that looks like a wheel. If you turn it, you can adjust the time. And voila! Your clock is done. I'm planning to place this clock up on the shelf in my kitchen, and it looks like this. I'll leave links for the products I've used to DIY this clock. Please leave questions in the comment. Have fun DIYing!